Hello, you're looking at a Dayton blower brought to you by Lanco. This is a tube axial blower, 3 horsepower, model 3C411B. It has a 24-inch diameter opening and outlet. Unit's in excellent condition. It's a 208, 230, 460 volt, 3-phase motor, 3 horsepower. 1,740 RPM. The CFM rating is 10,600 CFM on this unit. Once again, this is a Dayton 3 horsepower tube axial blower, 24-inch diameter. Overall dimensions are 39 inches long, 28 inches wide, 18.5 inches high. Weight is 200 pounds. It's currently wired at 230 volt. We do have it hooked up to power, and we will power it up for you so you can see it run. If you're interested in this blower or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.